welcome back again sa ating panibagong video. We will be flying to Coron, Busuanga. So this is my second time visiting Coron. And ito yung ating kick-off ng ating mga travel sa ngayong bakasyon. Today is June 1, at saka start na ng undisrupted vacation ng mga teachers. Kaya simulan na natin ang bakasyon. Kauban na po nato ang pinakagwapa. Walay lain.
Another set of
sick leave.
travel moment. Another sick leave.
Another moment of sick leave na po with Sir AJ. So, we are a group of 8 for this trip sa Coron, Busuanga. Ayan, sila Madam Principal, Madam HT, of course the HT3 and the soon Principal, and the nurses and over there. So sa 8 po, ako lang po yung pinaka-normal person here. Ako lang po yung just an ordinary teacher. So, ako lang din po yung merong 30 days ako lang din po yung may 30 days uninterrupted vacation. Sila is naka-CL o naka-VL.
We are from one school.
Yeah, one school sila.
From other school.
Boarding na ta guys. So since smaller yung plane natin, bababa pa tayo ng boarding gates. Then maglalakad tayo papunta doon sa aircraft. So we have arrived at Cebu International Airport. So we will be transferring to another flight later at 2:30 p.m. Philippine Airlines pa rin. And we'll have our connecting flight to Busuanga, Coron. So this will be my second time in visiting Coron. The last time I visited Coron, 2018 pa siya. Wala pa masyado mga kaganapan sa area. Let's see kung may mga nagbago na ba sa Coron. Mga kauban, si Ma'am Anna May.
Head teacher 3.
Head teacher 3. Okay, si Ma'am. Hala, uy, si Ma'am. Kalbritarado si Ma'am, no? Uy, perfect lagi kayo si Ma'am. Si Ma'am, ay, nurse ba ka, Ma'am, no?
No, teacher.
Ay, okay. Teacher. Ay, si ato mga nurses, di kita mag-uol karon sa ato ang laag, no? Nakadala ba tayo pang BP, Ma'am? Ay, hala, we are safe with Ma'am Grace.
Australia, US.
Pag di ka ganawa, anak lang.
Hala. Perfect. Of course, si Ma'am KitKat ito ang Maldives body. Ma'am KitKat. Alam, familiar ang bag. Of course, ang atong Madam, June 1 karon Madam. Ayaw sa panis. Okay. Of course.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Coron, Palawan.
Wala pa ako, Cebu pa gani. Ayan guys, we are now boarding. Oh my gosh. That was a very rough landing. Oh my God! Welcome to Busuanga! Oh, perfect na ngayon yung airport nila. Oh, nag-improve na talaga yung Francisco B. Reyes. I like this. The last time when we were here, hindi pa ganito, hindi pa siya concrete. Upon exiting is meron agad babayaran na environmental fee which is 200 pesos. Ano? Isa lang po. In fairness, nag-improve na talaga yung airport ng Coron. Daming tour packages when you arrive here. Ayan guys, mayroon sila ng tour packages when you arrive. So binigyan din si Ma'am Anna May. So studyhan natin to later. Kumusta ang ating very rough landing? Super rough. Kanina kasi sa landing is nag-sudden turn yung plane. Tapos very short lang yung runway. Kaya nag-stop immediately. Before, wala pa yung mga ganyan. But now, it's really concrete. Yung biyaan nakagalit ni pa. Dito pala dito guys, so meron na silang mga shuttle van. Each accommodations in Coron. So ngayon lang is kinausap tayo ng driver ng Prim. Kasi sila yung maghahatid sa atin papunta doon. So 250 pesos yung babayaran natin. So hindi ka na mamablema, just name your hotel and someone from the hotel will pick you up. Pag-abot sa Coron, tagada kag paperworks, di ba ma'am? Ayan, so yan, pinikap na tayo ni Kuya Driver. The travel time going to the town proper of Coron is about approximately 30 minutes pa siya guys. But along the way, you will really enjoy the scenery. Nasa na tayo sa ano guys, sa town proper na tayo ng Coron.
Lapit lang ko sa inyo.
Ayan guys, may undocs. So solve ng ating dinner. May undocs. Ayan guys, so dito lang sa may kanto. Malapit na siya sa undocs. Ito yung tatahakin natin everyday. Ganito ang slope. Ayan, oo. So ganito yung ka-slope guys. Oh, Diyos ko Lord. Ang ato ang Madam Principal is naka-aura na sa duyan. Ayan guys, after hours of deliberation, nanalo po ang Super Ultimate Tour from 1,700, naging 1,500 din no? 1,500 na lang siya.
1,500. Pero ito, wala pa siya nakadecide.
Wala pa nakadecide. So, ito yung mga highlight na dapat pupuntahan ito sa Coron. Kayangan, Barracuda, at saka Twin Lagoon. Ayan. Ito yung activity natin bukas. Pinapipilian namin ng Kalawit ba or Island Escapade. Safe na sa Coron na naman. So, Island Escapade data. From 1,500, magiging ilan na lang ito, ma'am?
1,400 daw po.
1,400 na lang daw siya. Ayan. So, 1,500 plus 1,400, that is 3,2,900. 2,900 siya lahat. So, lahat ng ating mga activities is 2,900 siya for 2 days. Super Ultimate, siya kanyang island tour. So, ngayon, mag-check-in muna tayo, be. Oo. Guys, ito na yung mga rooms na nakuha namin. Ma'am, ilan yung room? Ilang beds? Ito. Oh. Dito kami sa kabila. Wow, mayroon silang towel folding.
Asa ka sa taas sa baba?
Dito ako sa ano, ma'am? Dito ako po. Tapos, ay, may bidet! Perfect! May bidet! Small lang siya, but okay na. We have arrived here at Coron, sa Busuanga. So, we have landed kanina at 3:30 p.m. and then we were fetched by a van from the hotel, which is Prim. So itong Prim na nakuha namin hotel para resort pala, hotel is nakuha ko siya sa Agoda. It cost kinuha ko yung 2 rooms na good for 4 kasi 8 kami. So yung per room is yung entire room na nakuha namin good for 3 nights is 11,900 something lang siya sa Agoda. So roughly mga nasa 1,500 per head kami, no, kasi 8 kami. So very cheap at saka medyo maliit pero okay na din siya, enough na siya for us. So right now is yung mga kasamahan ko umalis sila, nagpunta sila ng Mount Tapias kasi now is the best time na umakyat ng Mount Tapias kasi hindi masyadong mainit. So ako mag-freshen up muna, matutulog na sandali kasi I only had 3 hours of sleep lang ngayong araw nito. So kailangan ko munang magbawi ng energy para may mga energy, may energy pa tayo bukas sa ating mga gagawin na mga activities.
A few moments later.
Grabe ang improvement ng Coron ngayon, guys. I went here last 2018. Hindi pa ganito ka-lively. But right now, as you can see kayo na sa video when I came here sa may simbahan, ayun sa message. Yes. Tawag dito. Napaka-lively ng dami ng mga restaurants. We're finding dinner at the moment with Ma'am Kit Kat. So, nakahanap na daw sila ng restaurant. Marami din mga options dito ng mga restaurants. For reference, ito yung mga prices ng meals. No, para sa budgeting ninyo soon.
Lagi good for to sa KitKat. Kinilaw. Diba?
Crispy pata, 509.
Ganin sinigang.
Bili na mo kaunti.
We're back at the hotel. So after we had our dinner, dito kami sa hotel. We spent 500 pesos for a meal. Yeah, so yung fare nila sa tricycle guys is 15 pesos lang siya. So mura, cheap. Look at our hotel guys, our inn na nakuha during at night. Lively ng ilaw. Yan yung little nila, reception at the same time restaurant where you can place your orders. Perfect kayo ang duyan ay. Hi mga ma'am. So far, kumusta ang atong day 1? Super tiring. kasi umakyat ng Mount Tapias. And Rise and Shine guys is officially day 2 na namin ngayon sa Coron. And for today's activity po is of course, yung pinunta naman natin dito sa Coron is mag-island hopping talaga. Yun naman yung mga highlights dito sa Palawan, Coron. So today, ang ating gagawin is super ultimate tour tayo. That is the only tour package here in Coron in which yung tatlo sa mga pinaka-main spot or yung mga dapat talagang puntahan dito sa Coron ay mapupuntahan nyo in just one day. Yun yung Barracuda Lake, Kayangan at saka Twin Lagoon. Breakfast time! So ang ating accommodation is my free breakfast guys. The usual Filipino cuisine. And guys, so it's already starting our tour. So sinundo na kami dito ngayon sa aming hotel. Packing and packing now. We will be doing super ultimate tour this morning today. I think there are 7 spots to visit or 5 to 6 spots. So it's my second time here now in Coron. Well, let's see if there are changes or ganun pa rin ba siya kaganda when I was here last 2018. Na po ang ating mga madam, si Madam Principal at saka si Madam Shubi. So akyat na naman tayo sa patirik na daanan papunta sa highway. So hindi ko to na-anticipate, hindi ko to nakita ha. So if you will be booking that hotel resort, so i-anticipate nyo yung ganito. Hindi siya pwede sa mga elderly and with reduced immobility. Yung sasakyan natin papunta ng port. Asa si EJ? Heading sa ceremony.
Ha, drip.
Si EJ. Coron, Nadal. Where are they? Ay, kuya, bakit malayo tayo? Coronadal. Dito na yung docking area ng mga boat. Malaki na din yung in-improve ng kanilang docking area guys. Kasi before nito, hindi pa ito concrete. No? Talagang lupa pa lang siya. Pero ngayon, may I am Coron na dyan banda. Tapos, concrete na din yung area, yung waiting area. Maganda Coron. Very good, very good. Yan yung mga grupo natin guys. As always, marami pa rin mga AFAM.
Japanese, no, I'm wrong.
First stop guys is Coral Garden.
Included in the Japanese shipwreck.
Ayan, first stop guys is the Skeleton Wreck. I know, the Coral Garden. So snorkeling yung activities dito. I'm not fan of snorkeling, pero I'm not a fan of snorkeling. Be doing that activity. Ang AJ, kahikyaon na. Hola, oh my God, labanan po tayo ng outfit for this video. So,
Ma'am, please allow me to ask, ilang taon na po kayo? I'm wrong. I think you are only 29.
we do not disclose our age, you know.
Nagpalamihan ka na kay ikaw rin yung katawa sa joke.
Gani, ako rin namin ako nakinig sa'yo kanina actually. So ako rin tumawa. Hindi sila nakinig sa mga explanation.
Yeah, this is the Coral Garden. Yan, so snorkeling yung activity here, guys. Pas po. Kumusta ang dagat, ma'am?
Dami, dagang kong
Ito na yung shipwreck, guys. Ito yung shipwreck. Somewhere over there, andun na yung shipwreck ng World War II. So may din sa rito, guys. May activity there na fish feeding. So, there. Oh! Wow! Many fishes! It's really, ano, oh, wow! Okay, so nasa CYC Beach na tayo with third stop. Third stop na to kay CYC Beach, stands for Coron Youth Club Beach. No, so kanina daw to. At the beach guys, sa CYC. So hindi namin to napuntahan when we visited here last 2018. So first time po dito sa CYC. Yan, so may crystal kayak dito guys. So if you want to rent a crystal kayak, that's 1,500 with free. Already on our fourth stop. Ano nga tawag dito?
This is the Twin Lagoon.
Ay, okay. Nandito na pala kami sa labas ng Twin Lagoon, guys. Dito kami magla-lunch. Sa may small cottage na yan. Unfortunately is yung ating Insta360 is nag-leak na naman siya. So sana mag-on pa siya kasi meron pa tayong Barracuda at saka Kayangan later. Nag-leak talaga siya. 3 years ago, my GoPro was also leaked in San Vicente, Palawan. And then this time is nag-leak na naman yung ating Insta360 x3. So Coron, Palawan. So Coron is, Palawan is so harsh to my gadgets. Lunchtime. This is also included on the package. Yan, so tapos na kami nag-lunch. And after lunch is pupunta ka na kami ng Twin Lagoon. Fortunately, sira na talaga yung aking Insta360. So laban na tayo sa ating camera sa phone. Have the option yung mag-kayak or maglangoy doon. Kasi since wala tayo kayak.
Okay, harap po dito ah. Hi. Hello, welcome to Coron. At may life jacket yun, tapos wag mo muna.
So, nasira nga po ang Insta360. Struggle.
Sayang.
You push yung paddle. You go there with them para na-picture.
Okay, just lay down, ma'am. Ganun ka.
Give yourself to the nature.
Then meditate. Release all your teachers.
Release all your teachers. Let them have the vacation.
And do not disturb him for 1 month.
Makasagsalom mo eh.
Kamu naman lang
Picture ka pal? Ay, si Ariel ako.
Kinapal, dagan.
Ayan.
Ano may nasubraan? Kung ba ang bahala ikaw yung maango na yan lang yun ang cellphone.
We're done at the Twin Lagoon. So we're heading now to the Barracuda Lake. Right, so parang ulan na siya guys. But still, the show, the trip must still go on. Next stop, last 2 stops, Barracuda and Kayangan.
For those who people who know how to swim, and then for those who people who didn't know how to swim, mandatory for the life jacket. Because if you have the life jacket, you cannot swim inside.
Second to the last stop, Barracuda Lake. So required, mandatory yung life jacket wearing. We have arrived at the Barracuda Lake. My God, it's been medyo maulap na, so we cannot fly anymore our drone. Guys, ito na yung Barracuda Lake. Oh, medyo umuulan na siya. Yan. So kung buhay pa sana yung ating Insta360, magda-diving sana tayo. Kasi wala naman. So, ano.
Sige, bicho.
Welcome to Barracuda!
Barracuda.
Barracuda again. Welcome to Barracuda Lake!
Okay. The Barracuda baby.
The Barracuda baby.
Welcome to Barracuda Lake! We're done with Barracuda Lake. So we're proceed to the last stop, which is the Kayangan Lake. Ito yung mga isa sa mga magkaganda pa tayo. Isa sa mga pinaka-important spot here in Coron, Kayangan Lake. We are approaching another spot. This is the Kayangan Lake. Of course, Coron will not be Coron without Kayangan Lake. Yan. Kayak guys. Yan yung limestone na makikita natin o yung bundok makikita natin sa viewing deck doon sa may Patuop area. Siyang konting trail na I think nasa mga 170 steps upstairs. 163 steps paakyat, 200 pababa ng Kayangan. Diyos ko Lord. Kaya po mga ma'am. Kaya yan. Ma'am KitKat, you can do it. Go. Diba? Wala, kasi AJ na. Okay. Hala! That is the view when you climb here in Kayangan, guys. So never miss this area. After namin nagpa-picture after nagpa-picture, bababa naman tayo dito sa another steps na naman downstairs. Papunta na talaga siya sa Kayangan Lake. Yun, nakikita na natin yung Kayangan. So medyo nakakahingal yung akyatan dito sa Kayangan, pero worth it yung view, guys. Tsaka you need to visit here. Akyatin nyo talaga yung viewing spot, kasi yun yung yung icon ng Coron. You will not be in Coron if without that iconic rock by formation or a mountain, sort of like that. And, oh my god, look at that. This is Kayangan Lake. Wow, it's really clear. I can see the rocks. Oh my god, mom, that's the cleanest lake. You see it there.
Okay, that is Sherwin. She's now going to submerge herself. Wala. Again. So Jerwin,
flying a drone here is a bit scary, guys. Sabi ng guide namin, meron daw mga multiple times na down na bagsakan ng drone dito. No, so we will not be risking that. No, my gosh. Kasi nasira na yung ating Insta360. Na siya, na-leak na yung water. Tapos we cannot afford to lose again another gadget. Oh my god. Ayan, so after nag-swimming sa Kayangan Lake is nasa baba na kami. And this marks the end of our island hopping. We got this island hopping for 1,700. Tapos nahagil namin siya for 1,500. Under Twin Travel and Tours sila. Kasama na at saka included na din sa 1,500. Yung boat, lahat ng mga entrances. Tsaka mayroon siyang lunch. Yung hindi lang siya included is yung snorkeling. Tsaka yung kayak thing. Yung kayak is 1,500 yung rental. The snorkeling is 150. So after this, may kasama din pala siyang lunch, guys. Yung nakita niyo sa video, ganyan yung lunch niya. Hindi siya ganun kasantos yung lunch, pero carry na din. Your stomach will be also full. So after here is, I think we will be going back na to the mainland. And then we will figure out if we will push through with the Makinit Hot Spring tonight. Or maybe we will be doing it tomorrow. We're back at the town proper already. So the tour ends here. Nag-end siya at exactly 5:10 p.m. So from 9 to 5 yung tour natin. That's all for this first part of our Coron video. And let's see us again in our second destination. Meron pa kaming 2 days dito sa Coron.